Your credit score is quietly controlling more of your life than you probably realize. It affects whether you get approved for an apartment. It affects the interest rate on your car loan. It can affect your insurance premiums. In some cases, it even shows up in job applications. And yet most people have absolutely no idea how their score is actually calculated, why it dropped, or what specific steps would fix it. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how credit scores work and the precise steps to start rebuilding yours starting today. Your credit score is a three-digit number, typically ranging from 300 to 850, that represents how reliably you have historically repaid borrowed money. Lenders use it to estimate risk before approving you for a loan, a credit card, or sometimes even a rental apartment or a phone contract. The score is built from 5 main ingredients, and they are not weighted equally. Payment history makes up the largest piece, roughly 35% of your score. This is simply whether you have paid your bills on time. Credit utilization is the second biggest factor at around 30%. How much of your available credit you are actually using. Length of credit history accounts for about 15%. Credit mix, having a variety of account types, makes up around 10%. And new credit inquiries make up the final 10%. Understanding this breakdown changes everything because it tells you exactly where to focus your effort for the fastest results. Fix number 1, and the single most important one, payment history. Since this is 35% of your score, nothing else on this list matters as much. A single missed payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years and can drop your score significantly. The fix here is structural, not aspirational. Set up automatic minimum payments on every single credit account you have. Even if you plan to pay more, the automatic minimum payment guarantees you are never reported late again. If you already have a late payment on your record, call the lender directly and ask about a goodwill adjustment. Many lenders will remove a single late payment from your report if you have an otherwise clean history and ask politely. This single phone call costs nothing and works more often than people expect. Fix number 2. Credit utilization, worth 30% of your score. This measures how much of your available credit limit you are actually using at any given time. If you have a credit card with a $2,000 limit and you are carrying an $800 balance, your utilization on that card is 40%, which is considered high and actively hurts your score. The target most credit experts recommend is staying under 30% utilization and under 10% for an excellent score. Here is the fastest fix available. Pay down your balances before the statement closing date, not just before the due date, because the balance reported to the credit bureaus is usually your statement balance, not what you owe after the due date. A second fix that surprises people. If you have a credit card with no annual fee that you rarely use, do not close it. Closing a card reduces your total available credit, which can immediately increase your utilization percentage on your remaining cards, even if your spending has not changed at all. Fix number 3, and one almost nobody does. Check your credit report for errors. Studies have consistently found that roughly 1 in 5 credit reports contains an error significant enough to affect the score. A payment marked late that was actually on time, an account that is not even yours, an outdated balance. You are legally entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each of the major credit bureaus. Go through it line by line. If you find an error, you can formally dispute it directly with the bureau, and they are required by law to investigate within 30 days. This single step has recovered 30, 50, even over 100 points for people who genuinely had no idea an error existed on their file. Fix number 4. Actively build new positive credit history, especially if your credit file is thin or your history is short. If you do not currently have a credit card, a secured credit card is one of the most accessible starting points. You deposit a sum of money, say $200, which becomes your credit limit, and you use the card normally, paying it off in full every month. Because it reports to the credit bureaus exactly like a regular card, it builds positive payment history over time with minimal risk, since you cannot spend more than your own deposit. Another option worth knowing about. Some banks now offer rent reporting services, which add your on-time rent payments to your credit history. Turning a monthly expense you are already paying into something that actively builds your score. Realistic timeline expectations matter here because impatience causes people to give up right before results show. Disputing an error and seeing it corrected typically takes 30 to 45 days. Lowering your credit utilization can show results within a single billing cycle, as little as 30 days. Building meaningfully positive payment history takes longer, typically 3 to 6 months of consistent on-time payments before you see a significant jump. A genuinely damaged score with missed payments and high utilization can realistically improve by 50 to 100 points within 6 to 12 months of consistently applying these 4 fixes together. This is not an overnight process, but it is a remarkably predictable one once you know exactly which levers to pull. Let us bring this together. Your credit score is built from 5 factors, but 2 of them, payment history and credit utilization, make up 65% of the entire score. Fix number 1, never miss a payment and call about a goodwill adjustment if you already have one. Fix number 2, keep your utilization under 30%, ideally under 10. Fix number 3, check your report for errors and dispute anything wrong. Fix number 4, build new positive history through a secured card or rent reporting if your file is thin. None of this requires luck. It requires consistency over a predictable timeline. Drop your current credit score range in the comments. No judgment, just data. And subscribe to Cents and Cents for a new money video every Tuesday and Friday.